What's the best way to core and slice an apple? Today I'm testing different techniques, from traditional knives to specialized tools, to find the fastest and easiest method. Stick around for some expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today I'm showing you the best ways to core and slice an apple, whether for snacking, baking, or meal prep. Let's get started. First up, the classic knife method. Slice the apple in half. Just cut straight through the middle. Then, quarter the halves to create manageable pieces. Remove the core with a V-shaped cut, quick and efficient for any recipe, and slice evenly for baking. This ensures uniform cooking in pies or tarts. Now, let's try using an apple corer. Place the corer over the stem and push straight down with firm pressure. Twist and pull up. Removes the core in one clean motion. Slice as desired. Perfect for rings or wedges. Next, the easiest method, the apple slicer. Position the slicer over the apple, aligning the blades with the center. Push down evenly. Creates equal-sized wedges instantly. This one is great for snacking, fast, and kid-friendly. Lastly, the Pro Chef technique for speed. Use a chef's knife for maximum control. Slice off the sides around the core. Thin, even slices for presentation. Ideal for fruit platters and decorative arrangements. Now you know 4 easy ways to core and slice an apple. Which method do you use? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert kitchen tips. Want to master more fruit cutting techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert cutting and prep tips.